guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your stand. So basically you're going to see that this will only go through some holes. On some you'll go too loose, on some other ones you go too tight, so you have to find the one that fits kind of, but it doesn't go through because it's a little bit tight. So you just have to unscrew that like you saw and then just put it in tight. Okay, so you just move that around till it's nice and tight. Okay, so once you got that in, you can just unscrew that part so you can put it to your stand. Okay, and that'll go right onto your stand, your main stand. Okay, okay, so once you have that on your stand, I'm going to show you that you can move this around. You know, you can put it at 300 degrees, 90 degrees, whichever. So all you have to do is press that button there and you will be able to move that around. Okay, once that button snaps out, then it's going to be nice and locked. So we're going to put it in again. Just going to swivel that around a little bit till it pops out, and then it's nice and tight again. Okay, so next we're just going to place our softbox onto it. Same thing, just the screws, just make sure they're nice and tight. After this we're gonna put in the sandbags. Okay, and I recommend doing this first, just so you know how much weight you have to put on the sandbags. Okay, the sandbags for this type of softbox you will be using around 10 pounds just to balance it off. You can use less or more depending on your softbox, how big it is, and your light socket. Maybe it's really heavy one, so you will need something even heavier, maybe 20 pounds. But from what standard is, it's 10 pounds, so it's better just to put weights in there, not actual sand like we used to back in the day. So just get some weights, nice little weights. Okay, these are 2.5. Okay, so in total it'll be 5 and 5, which is 10 pounds. Okay, now if you have just 5 pounds and it fit in there, you can do that. Now these bags are not usually that great, so if you can adapt your weights to just hang from that screw, it'll be better. Okay, and this is how it's supposed to look in the end. Okay, so your bags are gonna be balancing that out. Okay, make sure your screw is nice and tight to your stand right there. Okay, so like I said, if you can put weights, that'll be great. Now that's at the degree that I put it in right now. Like I said, you can just press that button, move it around. Anyways, that's it for this tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them here below, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.